Sorkar minta kesengi kalapen bena Hapoh Naiwieng kinla ban Pynkynriah no ye ki Nongdie Madan na keling ki benta jong Nongbah Shillong ya kaba ki thmu ban le kawai hadin kawai pat. Haba pen bena ye kini karai umintri ke Khhuborjylla ubaderu unongai ktin ke Sorkar ba pol lingdo ulei thu biki Nongdie Madan ba ke Sorkar ke thmu ban Pynkynriah minta ki kentup na do laim kra civil hospital point Thembi joy ter shadu mot pran ya kiba kansale kawai hadin kawai pat.
Is ongoing, and despite various challenges, we are happy that today we have the busiest commercial hub of the city, which has been retransferred for use of pedestrians and with the successful relocation of vendors. So the natural question would be what happens to other areas of the city. In a phased manner, the state government will continue to clear and relocate hawkers from Lightmukra Civil Hospital Point, Thembi Joy, up to Madan. These are major commercial areas, and we have a target date of completing all relocation and decongesting of these areas by November this year.